So here's opened image on my Photoshop, and now to copy this image, first of all you have to unlock the layer. Once the layer unlocked, go to edit and here click on copy, or you can press Ctrl C to copy your entire project or photo. Now go to the project where you want to paste the copied item. Go to edit, click on paste, or you can press Ctrl V to paste your copied item. And now I will show you how to copy and paste only a selected part. So I'm selecting the lasso tool and simply I'm selecting this part of this image, and now go to edit, click on copy, or you can press Ctrl C to copy only selected part. Now go to a different canvas or project and click on edit, click on paste, or press Ctrl V and your selected part will be pasted in another project just like so.